Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add color to swatches in Illustrator. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe, click on the Create an Account option, and from here you can use your Google, you can use your Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, adding color to swatches in design or textile context serves a lot of important purposes because for one, it helps managing and organizing colors efficiently. And it allows you to keep track of specific color schemes, gradients, or color combinations used on your artwork. Now, when colors are applied using swatches, it becomes effortless to edit or update them later. Say, for example, you decide to change a color in your design, you can simply update the corresponding swatch, and all instances of that color will automatically update across your artwork. So how do we update or add color to our swatches? It's very simple and easy because all I have to do is okay, so there are multiple ways for you to access these swatches. I'm gonna create a shape here for now. Okay, so I'm gonna use the rectangle tool. Just create something here and another shape like polygon. Right? Let's create some just different shapes and a star one. Okay, so these are my shapes that we are going to, of course, create swatches later. Now, the first step is just click on the specific shapes, and as you can see, these are going to be your swatches, and you can fill in the colors. If you wanted, say, I'm going to use a different color for this one. I can use a red. This one, I'm going to use maybe something yellow. All right. And this one, I'm going to use a different color as well. Maybe something blue. Right? But the thing is, this is going to be a laborious and a tedious. Alright? So the most efficient way for you to add the color swatches is just go to the right side panel of your dashboard and click on the swatches. Right? And from here, you can choose a lot of information to fill in on the colors. Now, if by any chance you can find the swatches tool here on the right side corner of your dashboard, just go to the window and there you go, swatches. Okay, if you can't see the swatches, all you have to do is click on Windows and swatches. Right now, once we have that, okay, so click on the swatches because what you can see, right, there's an option here that if you wanted to add new swatch color here, all you have to do is click on it. All right. And the global option means that you can change the colors for the entirety of your document. All right. And from here, you can rename the swatch. Say, for example, I'm going to be renaming it into something like this. And you can change the color right here from the color board to a grayscale to RGB and a lot more. Right. And click on OK. Now, if you wanted to group all of these elements or shapes together into a single folder so it's not cluttered all the way to your canvas, I suggest you click on the new color group. Because in here, you can select these swatches that you wanted to be part of this new color group right here. Or of course, you can select the artwork that you wanted to be part of this folder. And by doing so, there's a lot that you can work with right here. Now, there's also an option here at the very bottom where it's a drop-down menu. This is for advanced technique, but basically, you can save these swatches that you have made, the history, and a lot more that you can choose from here. The next option is you can add selected swatches and color groups to your current library if you created one, all right? And you also have the option to the swatch options right here, right? If you wanted to show all the color swatches only and colored swatches. So these are just basically some layers that you can work with. And if you don't want and you wanted to remove the swatches that you have previously created, just click on the delete swatch, right? There you go. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.